Hi friends, it's Liz here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick video to share with you. There is a brand new project pack from VectoriaDesigns that I'm going to just show you some of the pages in it. And then I also have a custom order project that I'm just going to also show you after I show you the project pack. So I was super excited when I started to see these beautiful images from VectoriaDesigns. This is from their brand new project pack called Greenery Gratitude, and it is all about that. So I'm just going to show you some of the pages that are in that kit because I wanted to show you what's in there. So I hope that it's coming through in the lighting, but it's got these beautiful like aqua and sort of pink and gold outlines to most of the images. So you can see here, these ones have like thankful, gratitude, hope, spark, and then you've got some additional pieces. Now you can use these in your journals, you can use these to make a journal, and you can also use these in planners as well, right? You can just see how beautiful some of these are. I like the greenery as well. And then how some of these pieces look like, you know, they would have been torn out of a notepad or something. So what I've done is I've printed out some of my favorite pages from the project pack. So for example, this background page, I hope you can kind of see the colors are just beautiful. And this one here. So of course you can see that if you were to fold this into journal pages, they would just be beautiful. But on its own, I just love the idea of the designs and the fact that there's just so much space in the center. This one here is also my favorite with just the nice, gold tones and that light and dark blue. So you can just see the beautiful designs that they have for this project pack. Today I know they'll also be releasing their video or tutorial on how they've used the pieces, but I thought I would show you just, some of the pages myself as well, just in case you haven't seen their channel. I love this one. I think this is my favorite page. Now, of course, as I said, there's just so much you can do with this design as well. And then this one has, the different shapes on it as well. It almost looks like it's been done with watercolors. That's just how nice it comes out. So the other thing I liked about it is that it comes with these really nice journal prompts. So this is the size they print out on if you're printing them just as they come out. So you see how just large these are, and then you've got these smaller. What I've done here, I should say, is I've printed 2 to a page. So you can just see the difference in size of how the squares would come out if you're printing 2 to a page. So I figured, these would be nice. I think the whole intention for them is to cut these up and put them in, a little box or something. And then when you are ready to journal something in your planner or journal, etc., you can just pull one out and this would be like a prompt for you to use. So I think that's such a great idea, especially at times that you're not sure what you want to be putting in your journal. And then some of the pages also have a starter. So like today I'm grateful for, and then you've got lined areas to fill out. You have this one here as well, which again I printed the large page in 2 to a page, so you can see just the half size that it comes out, which if you're making a smaller journal, or if you just want to use the quotes and pieces to tear up and use in your work as well, that also comes in handy. So I will link their channel below, their Etsy shop, and you can check out this kit yourselves. I know that they'll have a tutorial for this one for sure today at some point, probably after I release my video or before. But I just wanted to show you some of the beautiful pages, and for sure I'll be using the prompts because it's just such a great idea to have, prompts ready to go when you're working in a journal, excuse me, and trying to figure out what to do. So I hope you check that out. So I will link that below. And then this is just a quick share of a project that I have done primarily with VectoriaDesigns items. This is a custom order, and I have a video showing you how to make this writing themed folio, which I will link below. I also made another little paper clip to keep it closed. And this little cluster of, scrappy cluster pieces, I have a quick how-to video as well, which I will also link below. The folio I made originally is a different design, but you'll see exactly the same idea of how I've made this one. I'll link that one below. So here again, I love how this came out with the window. So I also have a video showing you how to make this sort of window pocket. And here I just added a few journaling pieces. You can see how really nice that turns out. And this is all, of course, a writing themed project. So I think I'll be able to get that back in there. I'm sure at some point I will. And then here I made another little tuck spot, and you just have a little postcard there. I'm not sure what happens every time we're filming. Things just start to not go properly. So you open this up and you see how just nice that design is. You flip that open, and then in the back you've got another little hidden spot for journaling. And I did show you how to make this entire flip book thingy in a different video, which I will also link below in case you're interested and haven't seen it. So then you've got a belly band, and then this little piece holds whatever you're tucking through. You've got space to tuck a lot of things there as well. And then here you've got a little journaling, a little tag. And then on this part, you've got a really nice space to do some journaling as well. I love this, these designs. This is from, I'll link their kit name below as well, from VectoriaDesigns. So then we've got a couple little pieces here, another little pocket. I love how you can take so many items and repurpose them and then make something new out of it, and just really nice. So another little tuck spot here, and then this flips open again, and then you've got more pieces happening. So I'll start on, I guess I'll start on the center. What I did here, this is slightly different than the tutorial I have that I will link below. If you want to see the difference, let me know, leave a comment below, and then I'll show you the difference of how I made this one. So this is just like a letter that you can write in the back of, and it's a vintage French letter, and this is from one of my kits. You've got more journaling little pieces here, and so this is one of the differences that I made. I made like another little pocket there, you can see that. So you've got pockets everywhere, which I absolutely love. And then here again, you've got another little tuck spot for various little pieces that you can use. And again, we've got another pocket there with some more journaling ephemera. There we go. Aren't these so nice? I love these kits so much because you can just do so much with them. And I'm not sure why this is stuck again, but so you can just see how nicely that ends up looking. And then on this side, we have another little pocket, and also another little tuck right here. And then of course we have the, this is from a Tim Holtz die with these different little pockets. And so I've just put lots of different little ephemera, like the tiny little index card and that sort of thing there. And then we'll go to the back. So that's how you would close this up, and then you use your paper clip to keep it closed. Now I kind of, it doesn't matter where you put it, but I like to put it on the side so you can see handwriting. And then we flip that over, and then here on the back again we've got a nice large pocket. Just tuck that in there because it bothers me when it's sticking out. Coffee stained index card. This is from my kit, and I've shown you various things that I've done with this printable. And then we've got another little handwriting themed spot. So isn't this just beautiful? I love this. I think it's just so fabulous to sit, on your desk or send to a friend, or in snail mail, etc. I'm going to fix this because I know I probably put it in too tight. But it's just so nice to have something that you can sit on your desk or, you know, make to send to a friend. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to check out my links below for the shop, for tutorials. And as always, questions, comments, please leave them below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.